Yes. So what you will do when you go for that? Go for a program. Because I know the moment you're going to home today, you'll be talking about this to your parents. If they say something, what do you say? Don't keep irritating me like this. Then I'll go to US for 11 months. That's not the case. Okay, you need your parent support too. Starting from a pre-application, you need your parent sign here. Okay, don't take it as a second, plan B. Okay, what do you do there? You will live with the host family. You will not be in any hostel. You will not be in any of the hotels or somewhere. You will be living with a live family in the foreign. You will be having a host sister, host mother or host father. You will be having your own room and everything. Yes, and you will be studying in a foreign school with the foreign curriculum. Imagine how your mind will get changed. You learn 1 year in US. How many of you here want to visit US? Not for this. Generally I'm asking. I always thought I need to visit US. Somehow I couldn't able to get the opportunity, but because of AFS, okay, I have a chance to go for the 2025 Youth Assembly, where I got my visa now, which is again a great thing, where a student from that background going to US is only because of this AFS. And third one, have fun while you are learning. Why you should have fun? When you're going to any foreign country, you're not going to only keep learning. You will be spreading our community, you will be spreading our culture to them also, and you'll be having fun while you are doing that. Yes. So this is what your fees, even though you're going in a scholarship, or if you are applying for a paid program, will be giving you. You'll be having a good housing, you'll be having a placement in your host families, and you'll be getting a medical support, and all your foods will be paid by your host parents, and all visa application from A to Z, your flight travel, your stay, everything will be taken care by the AFS. But this is on left hand side. What we have on right hand side is very, very important. What we need to do this, a very strong portfolio of a student is very, very important. How many of you here have a portfolio? I can see in some of your faces you are worried, you are wondering what is portfolios. Portfolio is like a mini resume. Yes, where you have what you do, what are the achievements you have done in a single file or a web page or a. Every time there is a relative coming to your home, you will be showing them some of your works, right? Say, I did this, I did that. Put together into a single file. That is your portfolio. Please build your portfolio before your 10th standard, because after that your life will get busier. 10th, after you go for your 11th and 12th, then college, your life gets very busier. Yes, and you'll be getting your medical insurance. The most beautiful thing about this AFS is, once you complete the course and come back, complete the program and come back, there is an alumni network where you can interact from the people who is available globally. Do you know, now I have a friends in Spain, Brazil, and in Nairobi. Do you know how I met them? All because of this AFS. Okay, that is the level of friends which you need at this moment. Do you know which century we are all living in? Yes, we are all living in 21st century. Imagine you are all born in 17th or 18th century. What's the important skill you needed? You need to, maybe in 16th or 15th, you need to take a 2 stone, rub it together to create a fire. If it is in 19th century, what's the skill you need? You need to go for a war. Yes? How to handle guns or maybe the sticks or something. This 21st century is all about the mind. Not with the hard works. It's all about the smart works. AFS is looking for people who can do this both together. If you are doing your hard work but not doing the smart work, then you will not able to shine yourself. At the same time, if you are doing the smart works very rightly, when the opportunities are being given, okay? Do you know how many AFS schools we have in Madurai? We have more than, I hope so, 300 plus schools in Madurai. Do you know how many schools, AFS school in Madurai? Only 3. And you are one among the school, which you can clap for yourself. That is why, while you are in this campus itself, make use of it. Because the moment you step out of the school, when you are just a volunteer or you are approaching from a Madurai chapter or wherever you are, when it's not a AFS school, the process is entirely different. The process becomes even more tougher because there is no one to guide you. Clear? And I should ask this. How many of your parents are ready to send you out? So my parent is already trying to push me out of the room, sir, or home. That's good. Now, the moment you go home today, I know this mistake happens. It was an incident happened in a previous school. I was doing this kind of orientation. I was talking about this, that and this. The student who went evening, right? They immediately said that the school is sending me to US for 11 months blindly. The parent got tempted. They got scared. Okay. Then there was so many calls to the management and we resolved that issue with them. Don't go to them and tell blindly that, Ma, there is an opportunity to go to US, blah, blah, blah. No. Tell them very clearly what it is. What is the hosting organization is? AFS, India. What is AFS is? American Field Service. Why it is called as Field Service? It was started as a ambulance service as World War I. World War I got ended. Then the World War II came back, right? Again they got reinitiated as AFS. Then they thought that if we want to stop the world wars, what is the only way to do it? Do you know why we fight each other? We have our neighboring countries, right? Why we fight with them or they are fighting with us? Because we are not understanding them. Likewise, they are not understanding our culture and differences. So AFS is acting like a bridge between these two. I will not tell it's a sweet story. There is a history why this US program has created. Do you know this 9/11 attack? Twin Tower attack. Maybe you would have not born by then. Even I was very younger when it happened. Only in that time, US invited so many students from Muslim countries to make them understand America is not what they think. Okay? America is completely different. It is still open-minded. So that kind of communication is what AFS is also trying to do with the other communities. Yes, this is what I was been talking about. This is what the benefits of being a student of AFS membership school is. You will be seeing so many events on AFS hereafter, which we already started with this Kalvi group of institutions. You will be going for a domestic exchange, where as well as physically, and you will be starting getting more certification courses, as well as you are eligible for so many scholarship programs, as well as if you can pay. Sir, I have the ability to pay, then you can go for a paid programs also with your friends. So this is what AFS is offering you. This is on one hand. As I said, right, what is the important thing which you should start creating from today? Portfolio. Okay? All your achievements, all your grade marks is very, very important. I'll tell you, if you are applying for a S program at grade 10, do you know which are all the marks which you look after? Grade 8, grade 9 and grade 10. You're all grade 8 and 9, right? Oh, 6 and 7 I hear. That's good, that's good. 6 and 7, you should start having a very good marks and mark sheet from now on. If you're grade 8, start getting your mark sheets that will, because AFS has a very strict criteria when it comes to merits and selection. There's no kind of, plus or minus. It's very plain as. And the most important thing which you can see here is, where I think we are expecting one of the biggest program which is to be happened for Kalvi this year. So we are all hoping for that. So let's see how it happens. And here, and you will be getting a workshop also, where a person from AFS National Office will be coming and equipping you. Not everyone. There will be some criteria in that too. So this is the two certifications which I was telling you, and which I was telling sir also. So this one, this Global Up Teen. Do you know the University of Pennsylvania? Have you ever heard of? that University of Pennsylvania is approving this course. Okay, this is a very important course any AFS volunteer or any AFS student should take for. After I did that, I learned a lot about others' culture and how to be open-minded, how to be very good communicative. Yes, that kind of things we will be teaching you, and this is for the teachers, where we should, you already done that, I think so. Yes, you have teachers in your school who has done that, okay, which is a very important thing in AFS. Now, my PPTs are over, okay, I'm about to finish in next 5 minutes, okay. Imagine, I'm putting an application for Kalvi next year. How many of you will apply for that? Why the girl child are very much eager to explore something new, and boys are something like, even when I was there also I've been wondering, man. That's good. Some hands are coming up. Okay, that's good. That's really good. Please put your hands down. Yes, that is the spirit which we needed. Why I'm telling you in the sense, the management is bringing you so many new events. But if you are not receiving it, then what's the use of it? Okay? Any doubts on this AFS programs? Because AFS programs are such a huge way that it took me some months to understand what they are doing. Okay? But I have planted what is AFS in your minds, right? I am pretty sure that you'll go to home and you'll search for afs.com today. Yes? How many of you are thinking to do it? These are all the students who's very eager to receive. Put your hands down. Go home, search for AFS, you'll find a web page. Go for YouTube, you'll find tons of videos of alumni talks, how their life got changed because of AFS. And we have, in India, we have 4 chapters. Okay, we are South chapter, we are 4 zones. In that we have I'm coming from Madurai chapter. Okay, we have more than 170 schools, only 170 schools across India. But we have 10,000 plus schools generally, but we have only 170 plus to 180 schools, which I am very precise, which is associated with AFS. Yes, the main motive is to bridge the gap between the communities or the countries. Because imagine we are fighting. Why we are fighting? I am not understanding your concept, you are not understanding mine. Okay, if we get together, if we spend some 2 or 3 days together, we will understand why I am doing something like that, right? That is the motive of it. To promote peace and the education for all, the sustainable development goals. Do you aware of it? That is what they are working on.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Any more? Boys? I'll be so happy to hear any 1 or 2 questions from boys. They don't want to go to America, but they want the opportunity to be there.
Any other opportunities?
Yes. See, AFS gives you, this COVID, right? It gave that option. Before it was only physical programs. Now, you can have virtual programs also. But after COVID, the programs are a little bit stopped because the physical programs are happening more. But in case if that kind of something comes up, I'll surely let you know. Yes? But there is an option to do it also. A virtual exchange. Yes.
Sir, we can hold our parents and go.
The first suggestion is, the main motive is to make you independent. Yes, because we have always been attached to our parents, right? The moment our shoe is not visible, what we do? Ma, to make you independent is the main matter of this program. So we can't take our parents with us.
Sir, we can only study for 1 year.
Not exactly 1 year, it is 11 months. It is only 11 months, yes. After that, for sure you should come back to India, but you can go back again. That's different. But only 11 months is the maximum number of time which you can spend on US.
Okay, sir.
What about our safety, sir?
Safety. That is very good question, because all the people, your parents will be asking this. You will be invited by the US Embassy, right? Okay, the US Embassy and the US Consulate is the one of the greatest institution in US. They have a very great security protocol. So you will be always monitored, your security will be always taken care of by the US Police Department and US embassies and etc. So no worries, you will be very, very safe. Not only in US, even if you go for any foreign countries, the safety is on the AFS hand. So we will take care of that.
Does the paid one give more advantages than the scholarship one?
No. There's a misconception that paid or scholarship, there'll be some changes. No. In AFS, when it comes to paid or scholarship, both has the same advantage. Scholarship is for someone who couldn't afford the program fees. Paid is for someone who can do that and go for it.
Sir, what is the value of the certificate?
I'll tell you this example. Okay, there was an alumni of 2016 batch, okay, who went to US program, came back. He was re-invited to White House event because of this AFS after 5 years. That is the value of this program. Where I will not tell traveling to US is one of the biggest thing. Imagine getting invited to the White House only because of this AFS. He got that certificate. So that is the value of the certificate. I will not tell you the value of money. Money, we can generate it anywhere. But AFS gives you the, how to say, a value for community, the value for volunteership. Okay, that is what the certificate is worth of. You will be getting noticed.
After attending this course, what job we can get?
That's a very good question. See, this is not a course which you give you kind of a job offer. No. But once you complete this kind of program, right, you will know what kind of job suits you. It will not give you a job, but it will give you a mindset, a open-mindedness that what kind of job will suit you and what are all the various jobs available in the other countries also. Okay, this is not kind of a job kind of course. It is more like, how to say, it's for your mind, your compassion, your 21st century skills. Okay, that will open up, which is very, very important for other job interviews.
So, if you are not attached to that host family, what the AFS will do?
Okay, so this is the kind of question which I usually get at the end of the application, but now I'm getting it the first. That is really good question. She's asking, sir, I'm going for a host family. I don't like that host family. What I will do? That's a very serious question, right? Don't worry if you're not liking the host family. You will be arranged with a new host family in less than 2 to 3 days. Maximum time is 3 to 1 week. That's all. And every AFS school or every local chapter has a AFS volunteer. Okay, so you'll be staying in their home until you find a new host. Yes, that is very, very important to get built up with. So if you do that, we may be meeting you in the other side during the application process, where I may be coming for a screening or I may be coming for you to assist you to the applications. And the moment you go home today, don't blindly tell them that there is a program for US, there is a program for this. Mention them who is the organization, how it is attached to the school and how it is processing. And please do visit the website also. That is very, very important. Yes? Fine. Thank you so much for listening me out. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for putting together the amazing and informative event. We had an incredible time learning from Mr. Sarath Alagasamy and connecting with my fellow students. Thank you everyone.
இனி சர்வதேச கல்வி சாமானியர்களுக்கு Kalvi Group of Schools